Click on the link below to get price. The Heybike Ranger Electric Bike stands out in the crowded e-bike market, particularly for adults seeking a robust, high-performance option. Powered by a peak 1400W upgraded motor, this bike delivers impressive acceleration and a top speed of 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for both commuting and recreational rides. The motor is remarkably quiet, allowing for an enjoyable ride without the disruptive sounds often associated with other e-bikes. One of the standout features of the Ranger is its dual suspension system. This design not only enhances comfort, especially on uneven terrains, but also instills confidence when navigating bumps and potholes. Riders can expect a smooth experience whether on paved roads or rugged trails. Coupled with fat tires that provide excellent grip, the bike ensures stability and control, regardless of the riding conditions. The battery life is another highlight. With a 48V15 lithium-ion battery, the Ranger can cover up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on usage and terrain. This long-range capability makes it suitable for longer commutes or extended weekend adventures, alleviating concerns about running out of power. The bike's design is both functional and stylish. The frame is sturdy yet lightweight, and the step-through design makes mounting and dismounting effortless. Additionally, the integrated LED lights enhance visibility during night rides, adding an essential safety feature. User-friendly controls allow for easy adjustment of speed and pedal assist levels, which cater to different rider preferences. The LCD display provides clear information on battery life, speed, and distance traveled, keeping riders informed throughout their journey. In conclusion, the Heybike Ranger Electric Bike is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience. Its powerful motor, impressive battery life, and thoughtful design features come together to create a versatile and enjoyable ride. Whether for daily commutes or leisurely weekend excursions, this bike is sure to impress.